You found the soft, the seam beneath my coat, pressed a finger to the place I hide. A hush, a pledge, the world reduced to touch. And how the dark begins to slide. My name falls quiet on your lips like rain, each syllable forming a chain. I lean into the pull and do not